Railco Repair of Illinois bought the closed Rail Ready property in August, and business has been taking off. Railco specializes in railcar repairs and is looking to expand after recently opening.
We got 25 repairing cars today. That's up from 18 when we took over in August, and we're hiring steadily as workload increases.
Railco President Daryl Hoyt says to accommodate rail cars waiting on repairs, the company built 2 tracks at the facility and will be utilizing 8 miles of track in Heron.
I've recently built 2 tracks in this location, and we're going to continue on building. I'd like to have another mile of track here. It's a time-consuming and expensive proposition, but that's our short-term goal, and we're going to achieve it, and that'll let us take in larger orders.
Senator Dale Fowler and Representative Dave Severin toured the facility to see how quickly it's growing. Senator Fowler says this could provide some potential for those affected by the coal mine closing in Saline County.
We're struggling. We just lost another coal mine just recently that's announced layoffs. So to be able to have opportunity for these coal miners to be able to come to an incredible company like Railco and have an opportunity to stay right here in Southern Illinois.
For WSIU, I'm Benji Jeffords.